What is going on, you guys? It's your girl, Vape Tech Unboxed, and you guys already know we are back once again with another video. 2019 is going so great, so I hope you guys all had a safe holiday and safe New Year's. But today, we're going to be taking a look at the XVIDA iPhone XS Max case with the wireless charging suction cup mount for your car. Yes, it's from XVIDA. You guys are going to be pumped about this one. But before we begin the video, I just want to say I hope you're all having a fantastic day or night wherever you are, and I love you guys, but you already know that. Now let's jump in to this video. Bam, bam, and here you go. We've got them right here. Before we go any further, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and join the fam. As you can see, we take a look at a lot of really cool stuff on this channel. So yeah, hit that subscribe button. And if you guys liked the video, hit that like button. Now, let's move on to this little system we got going on here. Now everything goes together. It's really cool. It's from the company XVIDA. So big shout out to Daniel for sending these out. Now here you go. So we've got the case. You definitely need a case. You either need the case or the card. They sell both of them on their website. That's going to let you magnetically charge your phone wirelessly with any of their mounts. Now this one here is the suction cup car mount. They also have some power banks. They have different kind of mounting systems. Now the case itself is going to run you $39 and the car mount itself will run you $59. They have a really cool website, explains everything, shows you how everything works. If you want to check that out, it's going to be the first link in the description. So yeah, if you guys want to check this out, it'll be down there. Now here we go. We've got the phone. We're going to take one thing at a time. Let's take a look at the case first. As you can see, their packaging is very beautiful. This one here has some blue on it, black and blue. This one has some pink on it. Really cool and unique packaging. Says XVIDA up here, magnetic charging case for the iPhone XS Max. Now we flip it to the back and it says magnetic locking for fast and reliable charging, ultra slim design, shock absorbing TPU, enhanced grip and defense against impact without added bulk, raised edge for full screen protection, and works with XVIDA Power 2 charging docks for home, car, and office. XVIDA Power 2 second generation system optimized for iPhones with Qi charging, 25% fast charging, 35% stronger grip, and 0% heat dissipation when compared to first generation. We got full Qi compatibility, precision magnetic mounting, XVIDA Power 2. Alright, now let's get this case open. All we got to do is slide it, and as you can see, it is a beautiful case. Nothing else in the box. We're going to get that out of here, and let's pull the case out of here. Get that out of here. Now here's the case itself. It's actually really nice, and if you can get a good look in here, this is like a really soft velvety material. It says XVIDA Power 2. Has their little symbol here. Nice grip on the edges. Has a nice little grippy design, and it's just a nice, sleek, clean backing. So if you want to rock this daily, you definitely can. Let's take a look at their car mounting system now. Wireless charging suction cup mount for XVIDA smartphone accessories. Optimized for the iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, and XS. Dock and charge your iPhone. Suction cup mount, powerful 15-watt transmitter, supports full screen navigation while charging your device. Securely mounts on windshield or dashboard. Swivel and tilt function for optimal viewing angle. Integrated fan cools device and increases charging speed. XVIDA Power 2 Max Speed No Heat. Supports both Apple and Samsung fast charging standards. Built-in fan cools your phone and extends battery life. Alright, so compatible accessories, of course, is the Power 2 case and the magnetic card, which I said you can pick up if you don't want to buy the case. Alright, let's get this box open. Like I said before, they have very nice packaging. Don't know what that is, but we'll take a look at it anyways. Alright, nothing else in the box. Get that out of here. XVIDA car charger. If you was thinking that $59 was expensive for a mount, then that's because you have not felt this freaking mount. Get that out of here. This is a strong mount. Look at it. It's not plasticky. It's not one of those cheap Wongo plastic mounts. This is solid. Wow, I've never had something so solid in my car, so this is gonna be really nice. Obviously it swivels and stuff so you can pick the best viewing angle for yourself. In here we're gonna get your power adapter and cable. Let's go ahead and rip this open real quick. and get that out of here. So we've got some little cable management clips for neat installation. Okay, you get your cable. This is a micro USB to USB, and it is a tangle-free cable, which is also really nice. All right, get those out of here. Really delicate, I like it. They also send you your car charger. This is a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 slot and a 2.1 amp slot. So all you gotta do is hook this up to your car, place that in there, place the other end to the bottom of your dock here. Boom. And set this up however you like, and you will begin to charge. Now we're not in the car, so I'm just gonna hook this up to a power bank real quick, and we'll see how it works. Let's take a look at this case real quick, throw it on the phone. Okay, fits the phone very nice. You can see there, it's a nice tight fit, no wiggle room, no give, just a little bit. It's really thin, very thin, not gonna feel any extra bulk. You got little XVIDA here. But what I said before about this grip, that is really grippy. This is gonna give you lots of grip so you don't feel like your phone is ever gonna slide out your hands. You have that grip. You do get raised bezels around that front screen. That's gonna help you with front screen protection. You also get a nice big bezel around your camera. Protect those lenses. Always pair up with the screen protector, as I tell you all the time. Mute rocker cutout. It's really little, but very easy to get to. I like that design. Your buttons, very clicky. Nice and tactile. Cutouts all look very accurate. You can probably fit some third-party chargers, and docking should be fine. Really nice thin case. And you will get some drop protection out of this case too. So if you happen to drop it, you'll be fine. Can't even see the magnet that's gonna help you do this. Boom. Now look how solid this is. This is a solid suction, suction cup mount as it is. But the grip that this mount has to this case is ridiculous. I have to really pull it. This is not gonna go anywhere. Let's wiggle it a little bit. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Okay, this part's moving. Give it a good shake. Nice solid shake. And I'm like really shaking this thing. So if you're hitting potholes, you don't have to worry. That's a solid grip on this mount. Solid. Now if you wanna see that it is charging, let's go ahead and turn on the power bank, flip this here, and we should be charging. There you go. So that's how you're gonna be riding around in your car. Put this somewhere where you need it to be. You can use your navigation, have your phone connected to it like this. If you wanna flip it up like that, you can, like this. Any way you want. This mount is gonna handle it. It's really strong. I'm not kidding when I tell you, oh, look how cool. So it lights up neon green. That means it's ready to charge, ready to go. Throw it on there and you are going to charge like a champ. Look at that. That's really neat. I like that. That's gonna give a really nice light in your car at nighttime. I like it. If you guys could only feel the texture of this mount, it's really solid. It doesn't feel plasticky at all. The fan that they talk about is in this portion of the mount. Lots of ways you can use this too. Go that way, this way. Lots of different ways. I like this. I like this a lot, and I like that it does that. That's probably my favorite part. I like this little neon green XVIDA symbol lighting up right there. That looks super cool. Anyways, you guys, I just wanted to show you guys this. I thought it was pretty neat. I did my little research on it. I thought it looked really cool. I thought it would be something cool to show you guys too. So anyways, there you guys have it. That's the XVIDA wireless charging case with the car mount. Pretty cool. I honestly give it an A+. But let me know what you guys think about this one down below in the comments. Also, if you guys have any case suggestions, cases you want to see me pick up before you buy, make sure you drop that down below as well. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate all of my true MVPs. Big shout out to all my true MVPs who show love on my other channels and on my social media. If you guys want to follow me at any of those places, all those links are going to be down below in the description. And if you guys want to join the fam, hit that subscribe button, like the video. You guys already know this is going to be a good year with awesome tech. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I love each and every single one of you guys. Y'all better stay freaking dope, and I will catch you in my next video.